Migs Malino reminds followers, be careful what you put out on social media. Migs Malino took to social media to remind his followers to think before they click. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong chika. Migs Malino reminds followers, be careful what you put out on social media. Migs Malino took to social media to remind his followers to think before they click. Mag-ingat po tayo kung ano ang ipo-post natin sa ating mga social media. Kasi hindi mo alam kung ano ang pinagdadaanan niya. Netizens quickly assumed that his cryptic post was about his love life now with Roseanne and all the issues that come with it. But a few others thought it was just a general reminder for his followers. In previous reports, Migs Malino said he is good friends with Roseanne. Meanwhile, Migs said he feels sad when shipang na magkakaroon nada sila ng anak ni Roseanne. Nakakalungkot lang po kasi may mga comments na parang personal na. Minsan nakakapagsabi na ng hindi magandang salita, Migs Malino said. Migs and Roseanne very good friends, kahit nung buhay pa si Mahal magkakasama na kami niyan. Biro pa ni Migs Malino, as love interests ko si Roseanne, ano naman ang masama dun, pagandang babae, sino naman ang hindi makakagusto sa kanya, tapos ang bait pa niya. Kwento ni Migs Malino. After the success of their love team called Momigs, Mahal at Migs Malino, sa kanilang YouTube nakagawa lang sila ng isang telebabad series na Oh My Love. Migs Malino clarified in an ambush interview that since the beginning of the Momigs love team, hindi po ako tumingin sa ibang babae, sadya totoo lang ang aming pinapakita on screen ni Mahal dati nung mabubuhay pa siya. I think wala talaga. Sorry ha. Ever since nag-pick up ang Momigs. Sumikat ang Momigs, it has always been a question kung naghahanap ba talaga og tumitingin ba sa ibang babae si Migs Malino. Hindi nga. So can we stop? Parang napapagod na ako sumagot. Kasi parang yung lagi yung tanong. Migs Malino said. Despite the success and overwhelming support from the audience, Migs Malino still highlights the importance of setting boundaries between work and her personal life. As for the fans, as grateful as we are for the support na binibigay nila sa amin na kahit hindi namin hiningi ibinigay nila sa amin ng buong puso, syempre sabi nga po ni MS, Lea Salonga. We have to set our personal boundaries because at the end of the day tao po kami. So I guess Mahal in heaven will agree with me, yung personal lives namin outside this partnership are off limits, Migs Malino said. In a statement, Roseanne shared that she wants everyone to respect him and Migs Malino personal lives. First and foremost, you have to respect the personal lives of Migs Malino and I. We're good friends and I have so much respect for Mahal na nasa kabilang buhay na kaya hindi ko naman masyadong inisip yung kung anumang mga issue ang naglabasan ngayon sa social media ay respeto po natin ang taong nanahimik na. Alam ko ang buong storya nila sa buhay walang makakapalit sa puso at pamamahal ni Migs Malino at sa kanyang pinakamamahala na si Mahal. The two are fated to meet and discover a shared past that could either build or tear them apart. But this time, fans will be seeing more of Migs Malino life with his family. Nakakamiss talaga ang Momigs. Sadyang good vibes lang ang kanilang dala sa buhay. Set to breathe life to equally important roles in the series ng kanyang buhay ni Migs Malino. Patuloy po tayong magmahal sa kanya. Happy lang. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong chika.